In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view layers panel in draw.io for Confluence and Jira. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring up the layers panel and why it's useful when you're organizing complex diagrams. Start in your Confluence space by creating a new page or opening an existing one where you plan to work with a diagram. If you're in Jira, open an issue where you have a diagram attached or embedded. The key is to get into the draw editor. Once your diagram is open in draw.io inside Confluence or Jira, we're ready to reveal the Layers panel. Look at the top menu bar in the draw.io editor. Click View, then choose Layers. That's it. The Layers panel will appear, typically on the right side as a sidebar. If you prefer using shortcuts, press Ctrl plus Shift plus L on Windows or Linux, or Command plus Shift plus L on a Mac. Shortcuts are the quickest way to toggle the panel on and off as you move between editing and reviewing. With the Layers panel visible, you'll see each layer listed by name. This view is incredibly helpful when your diagram has multiple parts, such as annotations, backgrounds, or alternative flows. You can quickly identify what's on each layer, and it becomes much easier to manage visibility as you work. If the panel is docked, you can expand or collapse it to give yourself more space. If it opens as a floating window, just drag it to a comfortable spot. If you don't see the panel after clicking View and Layers, make sure you're actually inside the diagram editor and not on the Confluence page or Jira issue view. Also double check the shortcut. It needs all three keys pressed together. Sometimes your browser or system may reserve certain shortcuts. If the shortcut doesn't respond, the menu path through View is the most reliable fallback. Why use layers at all? Layers help you separate concerns. For example, you might keep shapes and connectors on one layer, notes on another, and optional content on a third. Viewing the Layers panel makes it simple to hide clutter temporarily, focus your edits, or prepare clean exports. It's also helpful when collaborating because teammates can quickly understand the structure of your diagram. Once you've viewed what you need, you can close the Layers panel or leave it open while you continue editing. That's all there is to it. Open your diagram in Confluence or Jira, go to View, click Layers, or use the keyboard shortcut to bring the panel up instantly.